Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima Otutu, and on this channel I mostly talk about finance. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 crucial tips you need to know as a crypto beginner. I remember hearing about crypto in 2016 and 2017, but then there wasn't enough information or guidance when it came to crypto back then. It was mostly do as your mates are doing. I had friends then. We all didn't really know much about crypto. It was actually a Ponzi scheme that introduced us to crypto. If you're in Nigeria, you probably have heard about MMM. I got my first Bitcoin because of that platform. I made lots of money when the Ponzi scheme was still active, but because I didn't know the basis of crypto, when the market crashed, I quickly sold off all my coins. Another thing, the reason I got into it in the first place was because I thought it was a get-rich-quick scheme. Today we have lots of newbies who joined crypto this year, majorly because they probably saw on people's WhatsApp status, oh, I turned my 5k to 500k in 1 month. With that, they decided to join crypto thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme. I didn't have anyone who told me what to do or what not to do or gave me, any tips at all. In today's video, I will share some tips I think will benefit you if you're new to crypto. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take this as a financial advice, and while at it, please support me by subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to watch this video to the end because it's very crucial, and especially for beginners. Do not forget to also share this video to people you think might benefit from it. So my first tip would be know the fundamental basics of cryptocurrency. A lot of people who are new do not know some basic fundamentals. Like you will hear people screaming crypto, Bitcoin, but they truly do not know what it means. There are some basic things you need to know, like what is Bitcoin, why are people choosing Bitcoin over every other coin? What is wrong with the current monetary system, and why are people choosing Bitcoin over the current monetary system that the government controls? What are the good and bad sides of it? What needs to be fixed? Knowing things like this gives you a broader knowledge of what you're getting into, what you're investing your money into, and then also try to understand why Bitcoin is the king of all crypto. Why is it unique? What are other coins, and what is the importance of also having other coins? Try to understand what blockchain technology means. It's also very important to know what the market cycle is. Know how the market mechanism works in the long-term frame. Some hear the market is bullish or bearish but have no idea what it means. I really do not blame you, but understanding the basis of technical analysis also, is good to even know the different market cycles we have. We have the bear market, the accumulation year, the bull market, and even the parabolic year. Knowing things like this already gives you an edge over people who have no idea what is going on. And not just giving you an edge, right? It also, gives you knowledge about what you're investing your money into. Also remember that the market is very volatile. So when you want to take risk, remember to use money you're willing to lose. When thinking of the best case scenario, also think of the worst case scenario. And this brings me to my second tip, which is always follow a trustworthy resource. This is very serious because the kind of information you listen to in crypto space can make or mar you. There are lots of prophets in this space, and you need to be sure that your source of information is very legit. Not everyone knows what they're doing. Some people will join crypto this week. Next week, they're already adding crypto guru to their profile. They will enter Signal room, spend a week or two. Next thing, they've opened their own Signal group and they are charging people for it. And maybe you might be unlucky and you join the group. This person, because they know nothing about crypto, they start sending false news and you just swallow everything, hook, line, and sinker. Always make sure that you're following the trusted person and you're also using trusted resources. One thing you should always know is that people enjoy spreading fake rumor in this crypto space, and just mostly for their selfish gain. I will list some of the popular trustworthy resources on the screen that you can follow, and you can also subscribe to my newsletter to get more details on this, and the link will be in the description. There are also some trusted news sources like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, Crypto Panic, FS3. These guys, to their own strength, provide some solid information you need to know about crypto. When the market is either going up or down, it also gives better information on how to act and decisions, that you can take when it comes to your investment. Now, this brings me to the third one, which is make sure to use vetted and trusted exchanges. I know some people might not know what an exchange is. It's simply a marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I won't come and make up list of best exchanges in the world because, you know, but then there are exchanges that a lot of people have trusted and they've used for so long, and people can say, yes, I trust this exchange. They call them the tier 1 exchanges. Some very popular ones are Binance, which I also use. We also have Coinbase, we have Bitstamp. I would say make sure to always research before using any exchange. Do not just use any type of exchange because you see them trading crypto. Make sure to read up reviews about them. Also, try not to store all your coins on exchanges, especially if you're going for long term. We'll get into that later on, but these exchanges list quality coins. They make sure to verify these coins as well. Their long-term plan, most times they also try to be sure that these coins are real. And you can see that in these exchanges, they also even delist coins that they think are not good for their users. So if you want to know about Binance, which I use, how they work, how the exchanges work, most of their popular features like peer-to-peer, advanced trading, I have videos on this channel that will put you through. Make sure to check them out, and they are also very easy to understand. And now this brings me to the fourth one, which is store your crypto safely. A horrible experience people get into is being hacked. A lot of people have experienced this firsthand. It's one thing to own crypto, but it's another thing to keep it safely. When you're hacked, you can never get it back. You can't report it and you can't even trace it. So it's very important for you to store your crypto in a very secure place. Most times you hear people telling you not to store your coins on exchanges, especially if you're going long term. Why this is a good warning is because exchanges can be hacked too. Always own your own assets. Also, avoid people who will tell you, oh, let me keep your coins for you, or let me trade for you. Learn it. Keep your own money yourself. The safest storage is always, going offline. There is no customer service, there is no middleman. We have hardware wallets, and they are always the best. We have the likes of Nano Ledger, the Engrave. These are offline. But if you don't want to spend money on hardware, you can also get safe mobile wallets like Trust Wallets and BRD wallets. You also get your own private keys. There's this popular saying in crypto that if it's not your keys, it's not your coins. Try as much as possible to have most of your assets in safe wallets. I have a video on this channel about Trust Wallets. You can also check it out. Keep your private keys very private. On no account should you share it with anybody. Once an enemy gets hold of them, all your assets can be gone without any trace. If you're doing long-term trade, it's always safer to store your coins in wallets than exchanges. Now this brings me to the fifth one, which is stay calm, mostly play long-term, and avoid panic. All these wrapped into one point, but I'll break them down for you. One thing you should know about this space is that there will always be panic, fear, doubt, and uncertainty. You have to be prepared. This is why the people you follow in this space is very important. In this space, be very prepared for huge volatility, massive price pumps and drops. You can legit see 50% drop or rise in one day. Truthfully, I've even seen more than that in 24 hours, both in drop and also in price rise. When you come into crypto space, please think long term. And by long term, I mean in years and not in days. If you think long term, a lot of panic won't affect you. Always remember to take profits. Yes, I said it. No matter how little, try to take profits along the way. Every business wishes to make profits. When the price goes up for you and there is massive profits, please by all means take it. You can reinvest it in the bear market or have fun with it or just save it. The truth is the market will always go up and go down. Avoid leverage at all costs, especially if you have no clue or knowledge about it. If you don't have any knowledge in risk management, please by all means try to avoid leverage. Also bear in mind that FOMO is very real in this space, and by FOMO I mean fear of missing out. Never buy a coin when it's at the highest price. That will be one of the biggest mistakes you will make. When it goes up, there is always a chance that it's going to come down. Make sure to have exit plan. In all your doings, make sure to have an exit plan and also stick to it. On this note, I'll say welcome to cryptocurrency, and I hope you enjoyed the roller coaster. That brings me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you learned one or two from this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me also know other videos you will want to see relating to crypto or finance on this channel. Leave it in the comment section, as I always go through your comments, and I would try to create those videos for you. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you, and bye guys.